Hello everyone, Big Loud Noise here. Just a quick little unscripted, unplanned video because I wanted to show something off. No, it's not this little speaker, although I am going to use it during this demonstration. I'll set that aside. And what I want to show is this. A JVC CX-F7K portable cassette player from the mid-80s. As of the time I'm recording this, there are no videos of this particular model on YouTube. There is a video posted, in fact just a few weeks ago, of the F5K, which is very similar to this, although the F5K does not have the built-in AM/FM radio. But this is an interesting little cassette player that I just today got given for free. My former landlord, the one who used to own the apartment building that I'm currently living in, called me up and said, "Hey, I got a box of old stuff. Would you be interested in any of it?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." So I went and picked it up, and this was one of the things that was in that box. So was the speaker, actually. I got this too. I got two of these, but this is the only one that works. But this is such a neat little tape player. It's got fully digital controls, or soft touch, whatever you want to call them, electronic controls, automatic reverse. It's got Dolby noise reduction. It can play chrome tapes, and then of course it's got AM/FM built-in radio. It's so interesting, and it's so tiny. It is so incredibly tiny. Let me open it up here, which is going to be kind of hard to do one-handed, but there we go. And you can just see how compact that is. It's so incredibly tight. Runs off of a single AA battery, just one. Of course, I wouldn't expect it to last very long in that case, but it's so tiny it can only take one battery. And it's a little dirty, it's a little scuffed up, as you can see, but otherwise everything is here. All the parts, all the pieces, and most importantly, it works. Now, it's got some really bad wow and flutter issues, which is the same problem that video of the F5K was demonstrating, but it works otherwise. In fact, I'll go ahead and demonstrate that here. I have an equally old tape from 1985. I'm guessing for meditation or something like that. It's like one side is whale sound effects and the other is kind of like flute music or something like that. But yeah, this was in that box of stuff, by the way, too. I might post video of the other things I found, but there's not really anything else super interesting. This tape player was by far the most interesting thing in that box. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this tape in. I will do side 1. I think that's the music side. So we'll do that. And just like that other guy demonstrates in his video of the F5K, when the tape is in, it doesn't close as far as it does when it's empty. But it's still fairly small. Still pretty small. It's also got a DC input right here. I'm guessing because you can use rechargeable batteries in it. That's why it has this rechargeable sticker on the front. But anyway, let's go ahead and plug in this speaker here. Bear with me for a moment. There we go. And I see the power's gone off on that. I don't know if that's because the batteries just died on me or if it's gone into a sleep mode. But let's make sure the lock is off. Yes, it is. Let's push play. And it is playing. There we go. It's not very loud. And you can kind of hear that it does have real bad wow and flutter issues. It's a lot better than it was when I first tried it. It was horrible. But what I did is I flipped the tape over 2 or 3 times and rewound it every time. And that seems to have kind of loosened it up. I imagine it needs lubrication. And I bet it needs a new belt too. But it's playable. And the fact that it is playing says that, yes, it could be serviced and returned to perfect working order. Let's see, let's tell it to go the other way. Oh, I guess both sides have music on them. When I tried the other way, it had whale song. Okay, and stop. And you got rewind. And fast forward. Stop that. And the radio. Let's test that.
Up to $20,000 off brand new cars if you don't mind a few dents and dings. To 50% off our pre-owned vehicles. This perfect store means you can get the car of your dreams and leave some money in your pocket. But hurry, these deals are only good until all the hail cars are gone. And with these savings,
So yeah, it seems to be working good. And this little speaker is working good too, although I see the power light has gone out on it. I don't know why that is. So, just wanted to show this off. What is, as of right now anyway, when I'm posting this, the only video of this specific model of JVC portable cassette player on YouTube. Thanks for watching.